Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, wow. Carter's already hooked up. I was saying it would take 4 minutes to get bit, but apparently it only takes 10 seconds. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, this one's for the smoker indeed.
Oh, fumbled the net job. Oh, what do you know?
Thanks,
look
bud.
at that big one. That's like a 4.5 pounder.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't even get to the introduction. So let me just tell you what's going on. It's Fishing Los Vaqueros episode 3. Welcome to boat number 6. We're out here catching Rainbow Trout. Just using some putty.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Dude, what? That's a 4.5 pounder.
Austin's on.
Let's go, baby. Oh, don't jump. Oh, he's coming there. He's crossing lines like, no, bro. Come over here. All right. Oh, that's a beautiful rainbow. Let's go. I'm trying to get him out of that. No, don't worry about it, bro. Here, let me get. Whoa! We're gonna catch. We're gonna catch those ones all day. Let's go, baby. Check that out. Got some meat. Come out here for the rainbows. Yeah, baby. Just got him unhooked. Here's our buddy right here. What do you think, man? What do you have to say about that power bait? What's your opinion? Did you come back and eat it?
Austin has his own channel. It's AK, right?
Yeah, baby. Yeah, it's great. We love the power bait. Yeah. Yeah, look. Oh, dude, come on. Oh, it's a little guy. He was swimming towards me. Yeah, just give me a little dance. This one's a DFG. Look at that sucker.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Good stuff, brother. It's a good one, I feel like.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You want to, or you want to bring him right here? Oh, that's a good one, bro. Good shit. Yeah.
Net. Get him by his gills. There we go.
It's like good trout, good stuff, brother.
Austin's on with the fish. How's it feel, bud?
Just kind of small, but oh, this is a. He's an acrobat, brother. I know the Olympics is going on, but damn.
Beijing 2022.
All right, come here. Right there. Yeah, baby.
Worthy.
Yeah, that one is worthy. Check her out. Oh.
Oh.
Yes.
It's a fatty.
That's the biggest one. Let's go. Here, I'm trying to keep my line tight. Yeah, baby. Oh my God, he grew. Dude, check her out.
Look how clean this fish is.
Oh my
too.
God, that's a fatty.
He's tripping, bro. He's like, oh no. Fight of my life. I was put here for a reason.
Oh my God.
It's to go in my belly.
Listen. Oh my